hoodies in the summertime before just because my eczema was that bad. So I get it, girl. Hey y'all, what's goody, what's poppin'? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm actually super excited because I've been meaning to do this unboxing for a minute. And this one is really for my sensitive skin girls, my eczema having girls. I don't know if y'all have been able to see on some of my videos, like I just have certain areas of my skin where my eczema is just like, hey girl. And it's really seasonal for me, and honestly really based on how I'm eating. If I'm eating too much sugar, my eczema is gonna be like, hey, what's good? If I'm doing too much of just things I should not be having, my eczema gonna show up and really show out. So I'm super excited about this unboxing today because I actually got a really cool gift from Range Beauty. If you guys have not heard of Range Beauty, they are so dope. I've been hearing so many great things about them. They are a Black-owned brand that is supposed to be really great for sensitive skin girls, eczema having girls, all of that stuff. So I cannot wait to try these products and unbox and see what they gave me. I'm so excited. I'm actually really happy. And honestly too, like if you guys do have sensitive skin or eczema, if your eczema flare-ups or whatever are getting worse and you're wearing makeup on top of it, you really do have to be careful, because there was a brand that I was wearing a couple years ago and I had never really gotten eczema on my face, and I realized that I had like a little piece. It started with the smallest amount. I kept using that brand over and over again, and eczema spread over my whole face. My skin was literally like peeling off, like flaky. It was wild. I had never experienced anything like that before too. So having eczema and sensitive skin and knowing the products that you can and cannot use are so important. If you feel like something is inflaming your skin, making your skin worse, stop using it. There are really some brands that make things that have a lot of stuff inside of it that is just not compatible with people that have sensitive skin like us. So if you do got sensitive skin, this is for you, okay? And shout out to me. I feel like Snoop Dogg, where he was like, I just want to congratulate me and thank me.
I want to thank me. I want to thank me for believing in me. I want to thank me for doing all this hard work.
Because my hair, y'all, I did my hair myself first and foremost. I gave myself like a hair treatment last night with just different things around the house. My hair has been growing. Yeah, but this ain't about my hair. If y'all want to see what I did do to my hair and how I achieved this look, let me know in the comments below. But this video is not about my hair. I just wanted to give myself a little shameless plug real quick, because low-key, and then we'll get to the unboxing, I was really nervous about my hair. When I took out my braids, y'all, I was going through it because I had clumps of hair falling out to where I was just like, oh my God, like my hair was thinning. I didn't know what was going on. So now that it's like this, your girl is proud. But anyways, let's get into this Range Beauty beautiful gift. The box, obviously, it looked a lot more pretty than this. It had a whole label and everything, but I ripped it off, obviously, because I didn't want y'all knowing where your girl is living, okay? I didn't even really plan on doing a full face today, but I think just for the sake of this video, I may just have to, you know, give y'all a face. Just because. All right, so. Oh, it already looks so pretty inside. So I'm a packaging girl, y'all. Like when I had certain people send me things, like I feel like your packaging really shows how much. Hold on, there's a helicopter. Come on, bro. So yeah, packaging to me is everything, because I just feel like that's the first thing that people see when they open up your box. And Range Beauty, y'all, it's making me feel good already. So we got a Range Beauty card. Okay, it's giving like, y'all next card, I need to be on it. That's what I'm feeling. My soul, my spirit just told me that. So yeah, I'm gonna just throw that out there. We're gonna manifest that. A little partnership between Leah Robinson and Range Beauty, okay? It says, welcome to the Range Beauty family. I founded this brand to feel seen. It's my belief that our skin tones and skin types shouldn't limit the beauty options available to us, period. Agreed. Know that acne, eczema, psoriasis, rosacea, oily, dry, and sensitive skin are just descriptions of your skin and do not define who you are or your beauty. Yes, first of all, I'm a words of affirmations girl. So the card alone is just making me feel so good and just like uplifted. So if I was down, this is bringing me up. Y'all did that. My hope is that Range Beauty empowers you to wear your skin proudly because real skin has always been in. Yes, with love, Alicia. Thank you, Alicia girl. Leah, I so appreciate you and your support. Truly means the most. It's the little touches like that that mean the most to me. So thank y'all so much. Daily skin affirmation. I love my skin and will continue to treat it with care. Yes. I'm gonna go ahead with the affirmations. I just said I'm an affirmations girl before even reading that. So, let's say that again. If y'all are watching this video right now, say this with me. I love my skin and will continue to treat it with care. One more time. I love my skin and I will continue to treat her with care. And a lot of people don't realize too, the skin is the biggest organ that you have. So you really do have to be careful with what you decide to put on it and yeah, all that good stuff. But that's a whole different conversation. Well, let's get into this box. Oh, they gave me so many goodies. This is like Christmas to me. I love this. Okay, so let's do the big one first. You know what's so funny? I just said I needed a water bottle. I've been hiking a lot more than usual and going outside and doing my big one outside in nature. So I really just said I needed a water bottle. So y'all must have heard me manifesting that and y'all just put it in the box. Thanks, y'all. So we have Range Beauty True Intentions Bronzing Primer. This is so pretty. I love the packaging. Don't mind my nails, y'all. Please. Clean beauty for the forgotten shades. And I do love that too. I have been really getting into wearing more clean brands. I feel like that is so necessary. Like I said, your skin is your biggest organ. You do want to be very careful with what you decide to put on it. And it is water-based. I always look for that too. First ingredient is purified water. Y'all did that. Oh, I can't wait to use this. Bronzing primer. I'm gonna take it out. Let's see. Oh my God. The packaging. Y'all gonna get a 360 now because it's worth it. Oh, that is so pretty. Okay. All right, we're gonna leave this out because low-key I'm like, I wanna do a look. It is also vegan and cruelty free, and it's so dope because I definitely said I did want to do more vegan based brands because it does go with my lifestyle. So y'all heard me, and God was like, I got you, girl. There are really certain brands out there that will trigger your eczema, make it worse, and that's just not what you want. Like the skin in your face, that's the first thing that people see when they see you, and it's like, we don't care about what people say and what they think, but it's like how it makes you feel. I know when I have an eczema flare up or whatever, it's not a good feeling. It low-key in the summertime, I've been that person that was like, you know what, I am wearing a whole long sleeve t-shirt. I've worn hoodies in the summertime before just because my eczema was that bad. So I get it, girl. Ooh, okay. This one is called the Bali Full Body Glow. Love that. Okay. How to use. Great as a facial oil or body oil. A little goes a long way, leaving you the ability to build up to a full glow. Shake well. Love that. And I'm curious to how their makeup is outside of my face, because when I have photo shoots or like a video shoot or I'm on stage, I like to do body makeup because I like everything to be one color and I like to be glistening. So I am curious on how it lays on my body. We gonna see though, because I got a show coming up soon, so she will be used. Let's look at the packaging for this one. I feel bad, like I don't want to destroy it because it's that pretty. Oh, this Range Beauty, not y'all making me fall in love with y'all. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. You can see the shimmer in there too, baby. Let's shake that up. I just like the texture of it. It looks like it's moisturizing. It does not look like it's gonna irritate my skin, which I love. And this is the back. I low-key, I'm like, I wanna try this now. All right, so let's see. We're gonna do it on this part of my skin. So this is it before Range Beauty. And it doesn't have a scent, which I like, because I also started realizing scented things were really not the best for my skin. All right, let's see. Okay, that's giving me, I'm gonna be glistening on stage, baby, okay? That feels so good on the skin, and it don't feel like it's too much. And my skin also doesn't feel like it's like eating it up and I'm gonna be dry in like the next 5 minutes. Like that feels really, really good. It's light. The texture of it is really, really pretty. I just like how it sits on my skin. And I like that it has no fragrance to it. That to me is important, because a lot of brands too, they'll make it smell pretty to be inviting, and then once you put it on your skin, it's like, ooh, my skin is like triggered, please. Ooh, okay, so next we have the Range Beauty Smooth Out Translucent Powder. I love me a good translucent powder. It's the packaging, like y'all took y'all time when y'all did this. You could tell. And this color Golden Light. And I love that it has no talc in it. I saw this documentary about how some of these powders and makeup, eyeshadows, translucent powders are made, and I tell you, it will scare you how many bad products that they put inside these things that people wear every single day. Honestly too, like I'm guilty of it as well. That's why I did say I want to start wearing more clean brands, and brands that truly represent my lifestyle and truly are not damaging my skin just to look cute or just to look pretty. I'm gonna put the name of the documentary down below. I think Kiki Palmer was narrating it. And I love how freely she speaks about her skin as well. Like, we all got something going on, y'all. Like, all of us. Nobody is as perfect as these Instagram pictures be making us look. Because when I say my pictures be flawless, baby, flawless. But we still have flaws. And it's okay. And as long as you're taking care of your skin and you're wearing things that are not damaging your skin, I feel like there's nothing wrong with that. So, here we go, here we go. It's the foundation, the True Intentions Hydrating Foundation. Bing bong. Apply after True Intentions Bronzing Primer, which is this one. This looks like it's gonna feel so pretty and looks so good on my skin. This color is called Rio. Okay, what else we got? Ooh, okay, so we got a Golden Hour Dual Eye Highlight. This one's called Golden Hour, and this looks so pretty. Let me show you the packaging first. Would you look at that? That is so pretty. Oh my God. This one is called Prime Time. This is another dual eye highlighter. All right, y'all, we got 2 more. Actually, I like 3 more of the dual eye highlighters. I'm so excited to use these. I just don't know which one I'm gonna use first. Probably that gold one. I may as well do so. Okay, this one is called Froze. Love that. Look at this one. They made like the best colors for women of color, for this melanated, beautiful skin. Like they really did that. They really took their time and created colors that look the best for our skin tones. And I love that because they're so warm and they're so pigmented. All right, and next we have, Ooh, this one is called No Shade, okay? And it looks like this. I feel like every time I be like, no, this is the one I'm gonna use. This one gonna be the crazy one. It's like another layer of like, we got you. Now this No Shade, she's getting used, okay? This makes me want to do like some type of Cleopatra style type of makeup look or something like that. Cause that's, ooh, that right there, that may be the one. All right, this one is the last one. This one is called Havana. And it looks like this one. This one to me is kind of similar to the first one, which was Sun-Kissed. Let's see. Oh my God, it's so pretty. Like they really, they did that. That is so pretty. It's like a chocolate frost. Oh my gosh. You know what? I feel like I want to give y'all a look right now, just because. So you know what? That's what we gonna do. I'm not even sure which look I'm gonna create. I think I'm gonna kind of just freestyle it. Range Beauty, y'all just got me super excited and inspired, and thank you so much for sending me these products. Like, y'all have no idea that I really have been hearing so much and so many great things about this company for a minute. So the fact that I get to try it, I'm like, yeah, let's go. So yeah, I'm gonna give y'all a look. Stay tuned. I'll be back. All right, y'all, so stay tuned for part 2 of the video. The video seemed like it was getting a little bit long, so I just wanted to split it up into 2 parts for y'all. So this is the look that I created. It just gave me super pretty, clean, angel vibes. So if y'all are interested in this look, stay tuned for the next video. I'm going to drop my get ready with me, and y'all will get to see every step of the way on how I achieved this look. Love you guys. Like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend to join the tribe. Okay, bye.